Hello, if you need your invoice marked very fast, then this self-ink ExcelMark PAID stamp is my go-to. So it's actually self-inking. It has a red link. It's 9 by 6 and 1 by 1.5 impression. And it actually leaves very nice, clean PAID mark every time. You can also line up with a clear mount. You can just need to press and it's just all done. You don't need separate pad, no mess. It's also rebounds automatically, so you can rapid fire through a stack. It could also be perfect for invoices, receipts, incoming paperwork. It also has a consistent imprint. It dries actually very quick, and it also has very compact size, so it will be perfectly for your desk or just put it on a tray. It's also double-sided pad, so it means it will last a little bit longer, and you can also flip it on other side when one side is fades. You also could be able to refill it, or you can just replace the whole pad. Overall, I got mine in paid, but you can also grab copy, custom, email, entered, original, past due, posted, or void. So it's the same body but has different text. Overall, it's super compact, nice, and it just works. I love it, and I highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.